Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL 230NC again from a customer. The customer who saw the video, he came directly here to my place and he wanted me to replace the batteries of these two earbuds here inside. The reason behind replacing the battery is the battery backup is almost negligible. There is no battery backup in these earbuds, so I am going to replace the batteries of these earbuds. So without wasting any time, let's start doing the replacement of the batteries. So I am going to replace these batteries. These are the brand new batteries. So I will show you the voltage of these batteries here. Alright, I have set the meter to 20 volt DC here. You can note here. I am just going to check one of the battery here. So the voltage of this battery is 3 volts 3.93 volts. That is very good. These are the brand new batteries actually. And the other one is 3.92. so both batteries are wonderful, perfectly working. So now without wasting any time, I'm going to tear this down and replace the batteries. So I have already opened this. You can see there are white things because of the battery. I think might be leakage, battery leakage might be there. There is no battery backup, so you can see here. So I'm going to take out this red and black wire from these two flex cable. While soldering, never touch your soldering for a long time, otherwise it will melt the flex cable here. This is the flex cable. It will be very thin. If you give more heat from soldering machine, then the flex cable will melt and it will damage the flex cable. Then earbuds will not be useful. It will be dead. So alright, now I am going to take off these two wires, black and this red one. Before that, I am going to take one prying tool and I will remove this slowly. Is pasted here, so you can see it has come now. Battery has come. So simply by removing these two wires, battery will come out. Always connect positive with positive and negative with negative. Slowly touch the terminal, wires will come out like this. If you keep for a long time, then you may melt the flex cable like this. So the battery has come out. You can see this is the battery, and let's see the voltage of this used battery. This is not completely dead, but the battery backup of these earbuds, this battery is very less. So I am setting the meter to 20 volt DC here, and let's see the voltage here. You can see it is showing 4.23. The battery voltage is full, but it drains quickly because the life cycle, the charging and discharging of this battery is over. That is the reason it is showing 4.2 volts, but it is not giving the backup. So I am going to keep this battery separately. I'm not going to use. You can see the size, it is almost same. So I'm going to use this battery. Now I'm going to solder this new battery in these earbuds, and I will replace the battery of these earbuds as well and come back. So now the batteries has been replaced in both of the earbuds. This is the old battery. Now I am going to pair this, just turning on the Bluetooth. So you can see it is paired, and as of now battery percentage is 70. Now I will play the song and I will show you the demo. Please put on the earphones or headphones so that you can listen the audio quality perfectly. Just playing the song here. So first I am going to use my studio mic to the right side of the earbud. So this is the right side. Now I am going to show you the left side. Alright, both earbuds are working perfectly. Alright, now it's time to paste the housing here. So I am going to use this T7000. So I will apply this and close the cover here. I will show for the one just like this, very lightly I am going to apply because that is more than enough. Now just we have to close like this. That's it. Now I will apply to this earbud and I will come back. So alright, both earbuds is pasted, the cover is pasted back to its housing. So this is perfect and it is not even looking as if this is opened or not. So this has been pasted properly and you can see there is no marks of tearing this down. This is perfectly replaced. So that is the beauty of AudioViz 360. Alright, this is back to life now. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. And write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.